Hi, here I am again, getting Tormach number 2 underway now. Just setting up a little production job of 4 parts. Just thought I'd post some of the details here. I've got a little end stop that I made up, and I use a little Starrett wobbler to set the X, Y. I actually base it off the middle of the block normally. Probably do things a little bit unusually. My background is tool making and I'm self-taught, so I'm probably doing a few things a bit weird. I just call this tool number 10, for example, and then come down until it's pinching on there and set in 0.1 for the paper. I've made it floating in a holder so that it is spring loaded with a shoulder internally with a spring pushing it down, so that if I override it, it won't hurt anything. Well, here we are, ready to go. Yeah, having a manual machining background in tool making in the 70s, and learning CNC sort of the hard way, I'm always a bit nervous running these things. Although I've been running them for years now, I'm still really nervous. It's that start up, you know, push the start button. And it goes zooming down into the work. And you think, oh God, where's the coolant? Oh yes, it's coming on. Here we are underway now on the part. I use Bobcat cam, and this is just a simple profile side roughing. So it's taking, trying to butt in between the noise. It's taking 2 side roughing cuts and dropping down another level. Running it quite conservatively, about a speed of about 800, 4,000 RPM, high speed steel, 6061 aluminium. So far so good with this new machine and the enclosure and stand, but time will tell. Now we're on the quieter finishing profile cut. Quite pleased with the enclosure and stand so far. Don't seem to have any major leaks. And the monitor stand's working out good. I can swing it round, although I mostly just leave it to the side. I've got a sort of a windscreen to catch any airborne chips, workshop chips, stop them from landing on the controller or mouse, hopefully, and a silicone cover that's a Tormach supplied silicone cover on the keyboard that should keep that reasonably clear. Not sure whether I should do some better guarding on the Y covers there, because they're just going to fill up really quickly. On my other machine I've got a table guard at the back. It's probably worth doing. There's sort sort of defeats the purpose of having a fully enclosed type guard. Coolant seems to be draining away pretty well. Got quite steep pans on either side. And it just drains to a trough on the underneath into this homemade tank. It's just a plastic bin let into a plywood box on casters so I can wheel it around. It's all pretty low budget, and just a bit of mesh here, screen it, and another mesh baffle inside the tank. Quite a big flow pump, 60 litres a minute flow pump should I need it for some jobs, or for wash down. I've got a hose here for wash down. This is a pretty good angle. The coolant blocks up in the table. Tried various things to free it up. Seems to be a little bit better now, but the swarf seems to block up the exit hole, and then you get an overflow situation. Hopefully it's going to be okay now.